Hello, beautiful people. Today, I'm just going to make a few tacos for lunch. I'm going to make some steak tacos. This is the few pieces of steak that I have in here. I'm going to show you guys how I make mine. It's not burrito tacos, but it's just steak tacos. So I'm going to just set this right here. While I'm going to cut up the onion. And I'll show you guys what seasonings and everything that I use as well. So I'm gonna just get this cutting board right here. And I'm just gonna cut up a onion. Over here. Yeah, I'll get this knife here. And I'm just gonna cut up this onion. And I let my meat boil a good 30-35 minutes before I fry it down. Because with all these germs now and all these recalls that we're constantly having, it doesn't hurt. It does not hurt because you still can season your meat very well. But the thing is, I like my meat very well done. I always have. So I'm just and then I just pull the skin off. I'm cutting up this onion. And then I'm gonna show you guys what the seasonings that I use in my tacos. And these are steak tacos. I don't have any chicken, or I would make chicken ones. And steak is my favorite anyway to make the steak tacos. This is just a regular top blade steak meat that I'm using. And I'm going to show you guys. You'll be able to see it in a minute once I'm done cutting up this onion. Because I normally boil mine, then I'll take it out and cut it up. That way, I think I like it better to cut it up after it's been boiling for a while. I used to just cut it up before boiling, but I've gotten used to liking to cut it up after it is boiled for a while now. It's much easier and it's better. I don't know about the sanitation. Maybe even a little more sanitized. I don't know. But I know it's all in how you handle meat. Anyway. So I'm going to cut those onions up. I'm going to get rid of these onion peels. Get rid of these. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys the meat. Like I said, I've already been boiling it for a while. I'm going to show you guys the meat that it is. This is the type of steak meat that it is right here. Like I said, it's a top blade. It's called top blade meat. And so I just take the fork and hold it and just cut it up into small pieces. That's what I do. After it's cooked for about 30 minutes because it's already been cooking. Okay, I'll just cut it up. I'm going to go ahead and put my onions in this water. This little bit of water that's from it that's already been boiling. So the onions can get done. So this is all I'm doing. And then I will start adding my seasonings. This is what they have at Walmart now. Yes, it has a lot of sodium, so I try not to use a lot. It has 790 milligrams of sodium. But this is the beef bouillon powder. And so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this in there. A little bit. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. I also put rosemary. I love to put rosemary in here to give it a lot of good seasoning. Then I have the garlic and herb seasoning. This one I haven't even opened. So I have to open it and then have this shapes on. I truly do not measure, maybe 1 or 2, like I said, tablespoons or whatever. This is Italian seasoning. And I'm going to take the top off this and just sprinkle a little bit. Because I don't use a lot of salt. Like I said, the beef bouillon is the only thing that's salt. Black pepper. And I got some sriracha. Some sriracha seasoning that I'm going to also, I haven't even opened this one yet. That I'm going to put in here as well. Just a little bit. And I think I'm out of paprika. I normally put paprika. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I normally put paprika in here as well. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. And this is what it's looking like, guys. See? And you just stir. Let the rosemary stuff cook. And then I put like a tad bit of fried grease. Just a tad bit, a drop of fried oil in here. That's how I do mine, to give it some flavor, because there's chicken oil, the oil there. Then I finish cutting up my meat. So here's the onion. So I'm just cutting the meat up in small pieces because it's only 3 of us here. And so this is enough for us 3. And I just try to cut the pieces up to just bite size. Well, not too big, not too small. I normally have 2 packs. I only have 1 pack, so that's why I'm trying to cut the pieces up a little finer. Alright, and this is pretty much it. pretty much it, guys. So this is how fine I cut the meat up. I will put it back in the seasoning. And then it'll come to a fry, like a fry in a minute. See? And I'll just add just a drop of water, just a drop of hot water, warm water. And I like to have like a little crust on my tacos, so I put just a little bit of oil in here, and I'm gonna turn these on. That's what I have. I don't feel like putting them in the pan. I don't have a big enough skillet, so I just put them in the oven. It's going on. And I definitely like to clean up as I go. I don't like to have a mess everywhere. Now, shut this down a little bit. And it's pretty much almost done, guys, because like I said, I had already had it boiling for a good 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So I'm gonna just put these seasonings back up. I'm gonna grab a spoon. And this is pretty much it, guys. I make steak tacos with onions and rosemary. I love rosemary. But yep, this is steak tacos. All right, guys, to the next one.